Tons of venomous snakes were being collectively destroyed by being thrown into a deep pit. These snakes were all biological waste from a lab. Private commandos stationed near the pit were fully prepared, their flamethrowers aimed directly at the snake. At temperatures exceeding 3,000 degrees, the snakes' bodies began to burn. But the snakes, which should have turned to ash in moment, instead went berserk and lunged straight at the commandos. In reality, these snakes had been raised with chemicals for years, causing dangerous mutations in them. One after another, heavy trucks navigated treacherous mountain roads, continuously delivering these discarded snakes to the burning pit. But at that very moment, a small snake that had somehow escaped was crushed under a truck while trying to cross the road. What happened next was beyond anyone's imagination. Unaware of these bizarre events outside, the lab's owner was engrossed in years-long research on an elixir of immortality. He had poured money and time into it like water, but recent disturbances had caught the attention of higher authorities. To cover up his crimes, he needed to clean the entire island as quickly as possible. His biggest problem, however, was experiment number 2, which had spiraled out of control. As 2 massive iron gates slowly opened, a gigantic head emerged before everyone. The sight stopped everyone's breath. Seeing its terrifying tongue, the owner's knees buckled as if drained of life. Sweat poured down his forehead. Thinking of how years of hard work had gone to waste, he trembled with rage. "Delete all the data immediately! Burn all the notes!" he screamed. The research team hurriedly began deleting every file. Years of effort turned to dust in a moment, but he had no choice now but to accept this truth. With a heavy heart, he pressed the green button, activating the euthanasia protocol. 2-meter-thick iron injection tubes gleamed as they pierced the giant snake's head. As the poison was injected, its head slowly drooped. But before anyone could breathe a sigh of relief, the snake suddenly rose again. Alarms blared loudly. It slammed against the bulletproof glass, thrashing to break its chain. Its roars were so intense that the walls shook. Not just that, a small snake locked in a glass container seemed to receive some signal and went wild, thrashing violently. Flames roared again in the pit, the temperature soaring to thousands of degrees. But instead of being destroyed, the snake became even more dangerous. With the situation completely out of hand, the owner fled with his associates. As he left, he ordered his personal secretary, "Stay with the rest of the team and finish the job." He didn't know that by then, the entire island had been overtaken by these mutated snakes.